Hey guys, welcome back to the Node Study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss how can you turn off two-factor authentication in your Apple ID. So simply, guys, we can do it very easily. So first of all, guys, if you have turned on two-factor authentication through your email, then guys, you may open email or Gmail and you can turn this off from your that email within 2 weeks. But if you have spent 2 weeks, then you will not be able to change your settings. The second method is, guys, if you want to remove your phone number from two-factor authentication, then guys you may open the settings, and guys first of all you may make sure that you have an active internet connection. Then guys there's the option of general, so you may click here and click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Then guys you may go back and you may click here on your Apple account, and here is the option of sign in and security, so you may click here and you may just do it for some second. So this interface will be open, guys. Here is the option of two-factor authentication, so you may click here, and guys you may check this your phone number will be show here, so you may check here is the option of remove from account, so you may click here and your phone number will be removed. Please you may check that you may add a new phone number before removing this one, so you may click here on remove phone number, and guys your phone number will be removed permanently from your Apple ID to two-factor authentication. Or you may also add new phone number and for two-factor authentication and remove your old phone number from here. So if this is not working, then guys you may go back and you may just open settings again, and you may click here on general, and you may click here on transfer reset iPhone, click here, click on reset and click on reset all settings. Then guys you may go back and you may repeat all these methods and you may check your problem will be fixed. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.